Go to Leonardo AI right now. Click the Get Started button in the top right corner. You'll see a sign-up screen. You can use your Google account or just type in your email and create a password. Click Create Account. They'll send you a verification email. Check your inbox, click the link, and you're in. Once you verify, you'll land on the main dashboard. Don't touch anything yet. Just look at it. You'll see a sidebar on the left with options like image generation, motion, and real-time canvas. In the center, there's a prompt box and some example images. That's it. You're inside. All right, now let's talk about what this tool actually is. Leonardo AI is an image generation tool. You type a description and it creates pictures for you. It's similar to Midjourney or DALL, but it's built specifically for people who want to control the style, the consistency, and the output without needing design skills. Here's why this matters. If you're broke or stuck right now, you don't need Photoshop, you don't need to hire a designer, and you don't need years of experience. You just need to describe what you want, and Leonardo will generate it in seconds. And here's the real reason I'm showing you this. You can sell what you make, not as fine art or some fantasy NFT project. I'm talking about actual products people buy every day. Printable wall art, coloring books, sticker packs, social media templates, stuff that costs you $0 to make and sells for $5, $10, or $15 on Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Fabrica. Most people are stuck because they think they need talent or money to start. Leonardo removes both of those barriers. You need a free account and 30 minutes. That's it. So if you're sitting there right now, feeling like you have no options, this is one. It's not magic. It's not going to make you rich overnight. But it's real, it's fast, and it works. Let's build something right now. We're going to create a simple motivational wall art print, the kind of thing people buy on Etsy for their home office or bedroom. Go to the left sidebar, click Image Generation. You'll see a big text box in the center that says, Describe your image. This is where you type your prompt. Type this exactly. Minimalist motivational quote print, soft pastel colors, the words keep going in elegant serif font, simple floral border, clean white background. Now look below the text box. You'll see a drop-down menu that says preset style. Click it. Scroll down and select graphic design or illustration. This tells Leonardo what kind of image style you want. On the right side, you'll see number of images. Set that to 4. This gives you options to choose from. Hit generate. Wait about 10 to 15 seconds. Leonardo will give you 4 versions. Look at them. One will probably stand out as cleaner or more balanced than the others. Click on it to open it full size, then click the download icon in the top right corner. Save it to your computer. That's it. You just made a product. You could upload that to Etsy right now as a digital download. People search for motivational prints every single day. You didn't need design software or to pay anyone. You typed a sentence and got a finished product. Let's talk about how Leonardo compares to other AI image tools, because you've probably heard of Midjourney or DALL 3. Midjourney is great, but it runs through Discord. The interface is messy. It's also $15 or $20 a month if you want to keep your images private. DALL 3 is built into ChatGPT, and it's good for quick ideas, but you have limited control over the style and resolution. Stable Diffusion is free and powerful, but it requires technical setup. You need to install software, download models, and tweak settings. Most beginners give up before they even start. Leonardo sits in the middle. It's web-based, like DALL, so there's no setup. But it gives you way more control than DALL, with style presets, fine-tuning options, and higher resolution outputs. And the free plan is actually usable. You get 150 tokens per day, which is enough to generate around 30 to 40 images depending on your settings. The key difference is this: Leonardo is built for people who want to create products, not just experiment. The interface is designed around workflows. You can save your settings, reuse prompts, and keep everything organized. That matters when you're trying to build a catalog of digital products to sell. Let me give you 4 real ways people are using Leonardo AI right now to make money or save time. First, Printable Wall Art. This is the easiest one. You create quotes, abstract designs, or nature scenes. You upload them to Etsy or Gumroad as instant downloads. People buy them, print them at home, and frame them. You set it up once, and it sells over and over. Second, coloring book pages. There's a huge market for printable coloring books. Kids, adults, stress relief themes. You can use Leonardo to generate clean line art. Just prompt it with something like simple line drawing of a garden scene, black and white, coloring book style, bundle 20 or 30 pages together and sell it as a PDF for $5. Third, sticker designs. Small businesses, Etsy sellers, and print-on-demand stores need sticker graphics. You can create cute illustrations, funny sayings, or niche designs. Generate them in Leonardo, clean them up if needed, and sell them as digital files or upload them to print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble. Fourth, social media templates. Coaches, consultants, and small business owners need branded graphics. You can create Instagram post templates, quote cards, or story backgrounds. Package 5 or 10 together as a Canva. Compatible set and sell it for $10 to $15. None of these require you to be an artist or to have startup money. You're just using Leonardo to create the visuals, then packaging them in a way that solves a specific problem for a specific person. Now let's do something slightly more advanced. We're going to create a set of matching social media quote cards. This is something you could sell as a template pack. Go back to image generation. This time, we're going to use a more specific prompt to keep the style consistent across multiple images. Type this: Instagram quote card, soft beige background, elegant script font saying "Believe in your journey," small gold accent details, minimalist design, 1080 by 1080 resolution, under preset style, choose graphic design again, set the number of images to 4, hit generate, wait for the results. Now here's the key: pick the one you like best and click on it. Look for the button that says use as reference image or image to image. This feature lets you keep the same style while changing the text. Go back to the prompt box. Change the quote. Type Instagram quote card, soft beige background, elegant script font saying trust the process, small gold accent details, minimalist design, 1080 by 1080 resolution. Generate again. Leonardo will create new images that match the style of your first one but with different text. Do this 3 or 4 more times with different quotes. Now you have a set of 5 matching quote cards. Download all of them. Open a simple tool like Canva or even Google Slides. Import your images. Add text boxes. If you want to let buyers customize the quotes, export everything as a PDF or a zip file. You just made a digital product pack. You could sell this for $10. It took you maybe 20 minutes. And because the style is consistent, it looks professional. That's what people pay for: consistency and clarity. Here's the system: pick one type of product, spend 30 minutes a day generating images in Leonardo, build a small catalog of 5 to 10 products, upload them to one platform: Etsy, Gumroad, Creative Fabrica, whatever. Write simple descriptions, set a price, and then move on to the next product. This tool won't fix your life. It won't make you rich by next week. But it will give you clarity. It will give you something to sell. And it will save you the time and money you'd waste trying to learn design software or hire freelancers. Try it today. Go build one thing, just one. See what happens.